Hi there, I'm Champion Trader Kevin Davey, and today I have another dumb algo trading mistake that I've made. So let's take a look. I'm looking at some of my dumbest trading moments, and here's one of them because, yes, sometimes I'm just a complete idiot in my trading career. I've made lots of mistakes. I want to tell you about some of them so that you don't make the same mistake. And why should you listen to me? Well, even though I've had these terrible trading mistakes, I've finished in first or second in a worldwide trading contest 3 years in a row, and I have a trading school where I teach my trading course, and it's won numerous awards, including second and third place awards the last 4 years. So, even though I've made some really dumb mistakes, I think I know what I'm talking about. Here's today's dumb algo trading moment, and it's following experts who don't trade. And what I mean by that is you'll see a lot of people out there who claim to be a great trader and claim all this success, but when it comes down to it, they don't even trade. I was reminded of this a few years ago, starting a few years ago, and then continuing on, where some of the old trading legends, guys that you've always heard their names and you've heard a lot about them, I found out that there's three of them who didn't even trade. One of them, in particular, was a pretty high-placed editor of a trading magazine, and there was an obituary about him, and the person who wrote the obituary said he was a genius who in trading, even though he never traded. I was like, what? Here I'd been relying on this guy for years and believing what he said, thinking he was a trader, and yet he didn't even trade. And I've seen that over and over again with people who claim to be experts, but they don't trade. It's kind of like listening to somebody for basketball advice who's never played basketball. Yeah, maybe he's got some good points or something, but in the end, you want somebody who's actually been in the game and actually done it. Those are much more believable people. So the lesson learned here is to make sure you know the background of anyone you put your trust in. Don't just rely on them saying, hey, I know what I'm talking about. Dig deep. Google's great for it. You can find the history on a lot of people. And especially with trading education, you might be a little shocked at what you find from some of your experts. I hope you like this dumb algo trading moment. I'm Kevin Davey. Thanks for watching.